Alright, in today's video I got a Sony DSC TX30 underwater shockproof camera that I picked up today. I bought it to replace my Sony TX5. It's been a very good camera. This is one of Sony's first underwater shockproof cameras way back in the day. It's probably like 3 years old now. So what's in the box? Bullshit manuals. No one reads this shit anyways. Instruction manual. Whoops. Now let's have a look at the cable. Looks like the cable's going to be the same as my other one. Actually, it might be a little bit different. And I think it is. And we got a charger. Oh, so you actually plug this one in to charge it, where my TX5 has a separate charger. Just take the battery out and put it in there, so that's kind of nice. And it uses the N-style battery, which is the same as my other ones, because I got 4 batteries for it. So now, let's look at the camera itself. I got it in blue. And what the hell is this? Get rid of that. Put the little strap thing on. Alright, let's open up the battery compartment. Uh-oh, I might have to get a new video card. I don't think it takes the Pro Duals anymore. Shit. It takes an SD. I wasn't even thinking about that. Anyways, let's put the battery in, see if there's any life in it. Alright, I skipped all that bullshit. So you can choose your camera display color. Let's go with that one. And let's go high. I don't need the software. This camera is designed to be waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. However, can malfunction if misused. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, so here we go. So the menu is actually set up pretty much the same as my other one. Movie mode, nice. Oh, 3D still image, eh? I didn't realize I could shoot in 3D. Background defocus, picture effect, program auto. That's kind of a nice feature. Oh wow, there's actually a lot of different features on there that my other one didn't have. This kind of takes the editing out because you can do it right there if you wanted to. Wow. Anyways, other kind of features of the camera. Like I said, you got your memory card, your on-off. Basically slide it down, opens up. Take a picture, that's your button right there to on-off. That's your zoom. Movie record. This is a very nice camera. I just need to get a memory card for it now. So I'm going to leave the video at this. This is basically an unboxing, me pissing around with the camera. It's very similar to my other one. I should have actually cleaned my hands before doing this video, but I got working man's hands and that's the way shit goes. It's always dirty. So If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, a lot of my new videos are going to be filmed with this one. So, thanks for watching.